Hi everybody, welcome back to Niecy's Closet. Today we are going to make a very easy chunky cowl. And I'm saying chunky because we're going to use a number 5 weight yarn, and the color I'm using is, what's it called? Oh, look at the color name. It's called Hangman. What a name. Hangman. Okay. Whatever you say. Anyway, I'm going to use a K hook. And once again, it's a number 5. And it's by Premier, and it's Premier Puzzle. As you can see, it's 328 yards. So the first thing I'm going to do is chain 150. So we're going to chain 150, and then we're going to join with a slip stitch. And you have to make sure it's even. Make sure the chains are not twisted. So do your 150 and come back to me, and we will begin to make this very easy chunky cowl for beginners. See you soon. Now that we have our 150 chains, we are going to join the 150 chains with a slip stitch. And you have to make sure you did not twist your chains. So what I'm doing is I'm taking my fingers and I'm just gliding the chains between my fingers to make sure it's straight. That's what I'm doing. Now, I'm going to join with a slip stitch. And I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to check and make sure it's not twisted. Okay, here we go. I want to make sure it's not twisted. Yeah, there you go. Okay. I got it straight, I think. And what we're going to do is, after you chain 3, we're going to double crochet in every stitch. We're going to double crochet in every stitch. Just a simple double crochet in every stitch around. Now, and you remember how to do the double crochet, right? You wrap the yarn around the hook, go into the next chain, pull the yarn through, pull through 2, pull through 2. You wrap the yarn around the hook, go into the next chain, pull the yarn through, pull through 2, pull through 2. Wrap into the next chain, pull the yarn through, pull through 2, pull through 2. Do you see how I'm doing it? Wrap around the hook, into the next chain, pull the yarn through, pull through 2, pull through 2. Now I'm going to continue until I get all the way around the 150 chains, and I'll be back to show you what's next. We just want to make sure the chains are not twisted and everything looks straight, or circular, I should say. I'll be back. I have 3 more stitches to go, doing the single crochets into the double crochets. This is my last single. And what we're going to do is we're going to slip stitch in the first single crochet. We're going to do a slip stitch. And chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to double crochet in every single crochet. So every other row is a double crochet and a single crochet. So what we're doing is we're repeating row 2 and row 3. So 1 row of single and 1 row of double. Doing the double crochets. We're wrapping the yarn, going into the single crochet, pull the yarn through, pull through 2, pull through 2. Wrap, go into the next single crochet, pull the yarn through, pull through 2, pull through 2. So keep going around until we get to the end of the row. And I'll come back again. See what it looks like? This is what it looks like. You see that? 1 row of single, 1 row of double crochet. I'm going to keep going, and I'm going to do a few rows, and I'm going to get back to you so you can see how it looks. I hope you're enjoying my tutorial. I'll see you when it's time to go to the next row. I know I said I was going to do a few more rows, but I was so busy and had interruptions, I decided, let me go ahead and finish making this chunky cowl. So, the cowl is 12 inches. It's 60 inches in circumference. So, well, what I'm saying is, if the cowl wasn't connected, it'd be 60 inches long. And it's 12 inches high. So I'm on my last row, and I'm going to finish the last row with the double crochet row. I'm going to slip stitch to the top of the chain 3 space, And I'm going to slip stitch again. And I'm going to cut a long tail so that I can sew in the long tail on the back of the cowl. I have my large eye needle that I'm going to thread. By the way, this is so easy for my beginners. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just take my needle and I'm gonna, let's see which way. I think I'm gonna go this way. See how I'm hiding the needle and the thread in between the stitches. That's what I'm doing. And I'm doing it so that it doesn't become loose. Okay, I know you can barely tell. I was sewing the cowl together, but then my camera had stopped recording. So I'm back to show you. You can't tell, but I sewed right along here is where I sewed the cowl together. And my daughter, I'm gonna have her model the cowl for me so you can see how you wear it. But you put it over your head and then you twist it once and put it back over your head. But I had to, I saw that I needed to come back to show you that I had sewn the cowl together, and this is what it looks like with the number 5 weight. Very easy, very simple. I'm very happy with it. I like how the colors blended. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be coming back again soon with another. So enjoy your day or enjoy your evening, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.